Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Art Crumbs. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to draw Independence Day drawing amid the coronavirus situation. And these are all the materials that are required for this drawing. Some of them are even optional. So first of all, we will mark the borders on the drawing sheet. We can take any sheet whatever we want. We'll mark the center of the sheet and draw a vertical line around 1 to 2 centimeters to the left of the center. Then we will draw one more horizontal line which is around 2.5 inches from the top in order to draw the India's map. So I've started drawing India's map here. As you can see, I'm drawing it very slowly so that you can understand it well. Draw it with a very light hand so that you actually don't smudge off the paper. The paper and the drawing should look neat at the end. Now we are going to draw the southern part, the straight line, and further down to the Kanyakumari shore. We will be drawing the chains now. For the chains I have used here coronavirus in order to show the situation that the country is currently facing. After that, I'll be drawing certain people who are actually playing a very important role in making India free from this coronavirus. So now the doctor is done and I am drawing the nurse here. We need to make sure that we give importance to very minute details like this one. I am drawing the mask here for the policeman as well as for the nurse. So now I am drawing the birds here, the doves, which are the symbol of the peace. As India is always said to be the nation that believes in peace. Now I have taken a black sketch pen for the outline of the Indian map. However, if you see here for the figures and other small detailed things, I'll be using a black pen here. You can use anything. You can use a sketch pen also if you want. But here I have used a normal black ball pen. It is optional to use. You can use sketch pen also for the same. The reason why I have used the ball pen is that it actually helps you to give that look of minute details. The minute things become more clear. But the ones which we want to highlight, that should be used with the sketch pen. Now I am started with the coloring, using the white and the light blue color for the birds. Here again I am using the sketch pen because the drawing here was very small, and if you will use oil pastels here, so it will not be very neat, it will come out. It will be very difficult to fill the circles. Although it's completely on your choice what you want to use. Again here I am using the red sketch pen for the boundary areas of the virus. So now we have to draw the strokes here. Now for the strokes, every quarter should have 6 lines and all should pass through the center. I have done with quite an approximation. You can also use a D if you want here for the perfect lines. But even a slight approximation will also do. I am using here this blue crayon so that the neatness is maintained. On the top of it I am using this oil pastel to give it a brighter look. You can also use initially in the first place the oil pastel itself. are about to complete this drawing. We are almost towards the end. I hope that you enjoyed the video, friends. Did you? Do mention it in the comment section whether you liked the video or not, and what would you like me to further post. One thing was missing, and that was the gloves. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel Art Crumbs. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it. You can also join me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description. Keep watching, stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.